First task, empty the van again, and then we're gonna clean the mess we've made. We basically want to get it nice and clean and sterile so that the mats stick. If you do it right the first time, you don't have to do it again. It's just like your schoolwork when you cheat and then you fail because that was stupid. I'm gonna show you guys the deadening we're gonna use. So Killmat is like the name brand, but we opted for a cheaper brand because it's really all one and the same according to reviews. Can't see anything. So this is Dynoskin. I got the 50 millimeter because we are also insulating, and it says that I talked to ChatGPT a little bit. If you're gonna insulate, then the 50 millimeter is the best. It's just a good combination. 80 millimeters could be overkill if you're also insulating. This is just what I'm going with. We have a lot of windows too, so I ordered 50 square feet, and it was I ordered 50 square feet, and I think it was like $50. For Killmat, for 50 square feet, it was gonna be like 80. Like we talked about earlier, bang for your buck. So yeah, let's get started. I just finished wiping down the floor. I had to take my shoes off. You can see them back there. So I had to take my shoes off because I didn't want to track any more dirt in here. So I'm just gonna call it Killmat because it's just the easiest word. So I'm gonna Killmat the floor, and you're supposed to do it in patches. Everybody always says it's overkill to do like the entire floor because it's not gonna make that much of a difference. So they do say to fully cover the wheel wells and just, patches and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. I am gonna have to find like a Sharpie or something. So all these like mounting points for the seats I'm gonna draw like red dots on it so we know where we can like mount our flooring to. Because I will Killmat those areas so that way it's like you're picking up what I'm throwing down. And if you aren't, well, figure it out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to lay it just with like one piece, and then we'll cut to a time lapse and be doing the whole thing, and then we'll move the walls. Like I said, it needs like just a little bit because there's so many windows, but I will do the roof and like the front roof, so I'll show you that as well. So here it is, 50 millimeter. You peel it, it's got like this black tar like substance almost. It's like really sticky basically. Okay, so for this first patch, I'm gonna lay it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. Dead center. You kind of want to figure out where you want it first, of course. It's like the smart way to do it. I'm trying to think if I go here and then here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I've got like a pattern in my head. It has to be a pattern for me. So a lot of people don't peel it off right away. I'm going to. I can do what I want. Just lay it on. And then they sell rollers. I'm not buying, but I don't need. Just use your hands to seal it. Make sure this edge is laid. What I'll probably do is take a rag with me and make sure it's completely dry for all of them. Yeah. So, yep, that's one patch. Oh, you couldn't even see anything, but I literally just laid it and it went like this. So I'll show you one more patch. So I'm gonna go like here. I'm gonna go like a checkerboard pattern. So here's another piece. I'm gonna take a dry rag. Make sure she's clear of any debris. We do not want these peeling up. I mean, it's gonna be under insulation and flooring, but we want a smooth ride. So this one I'm gonna put right in between here. Start from the middle. That's what I'm gonna do. Just rub her down. You just want to make sure it's fully sealed to the ground or floor, whatever you want to call it. And just like that, she is done. Alright. So she's like, she's not coming up. You feel me? Oh, ignore that. Yeah, so you just don't want her to come up or anything. And then I guess I'm gonna do the rest real quick. And I'll come back when it's finished. So this is the finished result. I forgot to film the roof and the wheel wells, but it's just the same process over and over and over again. But everything came out looking really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching and following along with us. We can't wait to show you what we're working on. Just make sure to subscribe to follow along our journey. Peace out.